In this video, I'm reviewing Codeberg Pages. Find links below. Codeberg Pages is a free, open-source platform for developers and tech-savvy users to host static websites directly from their repositories. It's a great alternative to GitHub Pages, prioritizing privacy, transparency, and community development. Codeberg Pages seamlessly integrates with the Codeberg Git repository service. Simply push your project to a designated branch to create your static website. It supports popular static site generators like Jekyll, Hugo, and MKDocs, allowing you to effortlessly build feature-rich websites. Perfect for portfolios, documentation, or blogs. Codeberg Pages champions privacy and security. As a non-profit, it's committed to user rights and transparency, unlike some proprietary platforms, appealing to those who prefer open source. Websites are served securely over HTTPS. While excellent for static sites, Codeberg Pages isn't a drag-and-drop builder. Familiarity with Git and static site generators is recommended. However, this gives developers flexibility and control. A standout benefit? It's completely free. No limitations or hidden fees, making it attractive for individuals and small organizations seeking a professional web presence without traditional hosting costs. Codeberg Pages is fantastic for developers and open-source enthusiasts wanting a reliable, privacy-focused platform for static websites. Its integration with Codeberg's repository and support for popular generators make it powerful. If you're comfortable with Git and want a free, secure solution, Codeberg Pages is worth exploring. Check the links below to learn more and get started. Hopefully, this helps you decide if Codeberg Pages meets your static website hosting needs.